Alright, this is Joe from MrPaintballvids, and this is going to be a little instruction video on how to take apart the tank regulator on your compressed air tank. First, what you want to do is look on the bonnet, and there'll be a screw on each side, and you're going to need an Allen wrench to take those out. So take those out. Side is one. There's the other. And then once you have those two screws out, which are right here, you just unscrew the bonnet from the top. And always, before you do this, before you service your tank regulator, make sure that your tank is depressurized. Okay, you pull the bonnet off. The stupid thing. Alright, in the bonnet is bonnet right there, the pin, and the piston with a spring inside of it. And anyway, when you're servicing it, you can put a little lube on the piston. And here is, this particular tank has a spring. Some tanks have shims, but this tank came with a low pressure spring. And that's just the rest of it. You really don't need to break it down anymore from here for just maintenance every few months. And just throw it back together. Just throw the spring in. Once you get the spring in, you get piston with the spring in the piston. Throw the pin valve on top, and throw that all back inside the bonnet, and screw that back on to the main piece. Then just get these screws and screw them back where you took them from. Now, if you don't feel comfortable